asawa ni Arnel Pineda, kinasuhan ang nasabi nga pong singer ng violence. Kaya naman, itong nagdaang araw ay nabalita nga ang paghatag ng warrant of arrest kay Arnel Pineda. Ayon sa update, ay isa daw itong pagbabahagi ng dahilan ng asawa ni Arnel Pineda kung bakit kinasuhan ni Arnel Pineda ang asawa nito ng 2 counts of adultery. At upang idepensa ang kanyang sarili, ay kinasuhan nga ng dating asawa or strange wife ni Arnel Pineda, si Arnel, ng violence against woman. At ang bawsi, ang kalaban ni Arnel Pineda ngayon. Dahilan kung bakit nabigyan ito ng warrant of arrest. Dahil hindi nakapunta si Arnel Pineda sa nasabi nga pong pag-uusap ng kanyang strange wife dahil na rin di umano ito ay nasa ospital ayon sa kanyang abogado. Nilinaw ng abogado ni Arnel Pineda na ang nasabi nga pong pagkakaso ni Cherry kay Arnel Pineda ay hindi dahil si Arnel ang may kasalanan, kundi upang ipagtanggol ni Cherry ang kanyang sarili sa adultery na ikinaso sa kanya ni Arnel Pineda. Narito po ang naging pahayag. Mr. Pineda was required to appear but at the time he was confined in the hospital and could not attend. When the arraignment was later rescheduled, he remained unable to appear. For this reason, the court issued a bench warrant to compel his attendance. His legal counsel said, according to Arnel's camp, he had first filed and pursued 2 cases of adultery against Cherry, which then prompted her to file the domestic violence complaint in response over a year later. The reports claim that the prosecutors alleged that Cherry endured years of verbal assault, manipulation, and coercive behavior during her marriage to Arnel, prompting her to leave their home. Ito ay mula rin sa naging artikulo ng Rappler. Pahayag pa, in 2023, he had supposedly caught his wife leaving a Baguio City hotel with another man and was able to get video evidence to back his claims. Private investigators then allegedly informed Arnel that Cherry and the man were using a unit in a commercial building owned by the 58-year-old musician as a love nest. Arnel filed the 2 cases which are now pending and undergoing trial with Branch 34 of the Metropolitan Trial Court of Quezon City and Branch 3 of the Municipal Trial Court of Baguio City. Hindi naman mapigilan ng mga netizen ang mainis at magalit sa strange wife ni Arnel Pineda na si Cherry na medyo mayip ka pagka makapal daw ang mukha. Ayon sa kanila, si Arnel malayo sa asawa, nasa abroad, laging iba-ibang lugar ang show. Talagang mahirap ang long distance. Sana nakipaghiwalay na siya pero syempre dollars ang kita ni Arnel kaya ayaw din ni wife. Sayang naman sila nung ordinary lang si Arnel sa mga bar nandyan na si wife sayang ang pinagsamahan. Ano ba ang kanyang kaso? Vowsite nasa title na Violence Against Women and Children. Yung wife ang nang-iwan kay Arnel at kids nila for another man. I know him so well and this is BS. I don't buy the ex-wife story. The kids are with Arnel to begin with. Ang kapal ng mukha nung asawa. Well, anong masasay nyo about sa ating update? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images or all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.